In today's fast moving digital workplace, managing endpoints across remote, hybrid, and distributed teams is one of the biggest challenges for IT professionals. Security risks are rising, user demands are evolving, and traditional server based tools simply can't keep up. Enter Action1, a cloud native endpoint management platform designed to automate patching, monitor devices, enforce security policies, and ensure compliance at scale. Built with modern IT teams in mind, Action 1 offers real time visibility and control over all your endpoints without the need for on premises servers, VPNs, or complex deployments. Whether you manage 100 devices or thousands, Action 1 helps you reduce vulnerabilities, improve uptime, and keep your entire device fleet compliant and secure. In this video, we'll walk through the key features of Action 1, explain how they benefit IT operations, and show why this platform continues to be a go-to solution for endpoint management professionals worldwide. For its key features and benefits, first is the automated patch management. One of Action 1's most powerful capabilities is its fully automated patch management. The platform continuously scans for missing updates on both Windows operating systems and hundreds of third-party applications such as Zoom, Adobe Acrobat, Slack, and Google Chrome. Admins can configure patching policies, schedule update windows, manage reboot options, and monitor deployment status across the environment. This reduces exposure to known security vulnerabilities and ensures consistent patching without interrupting end user productivity. Another key feature is the real time endpoint monitoring and remote control. Action 1 provides a centralized dashboard to view the real time status of every endpoint in your organization. You can monitor hardware health, OS version, user sessions, installed software, and device compliance from anywhere. This improves response times for help desk tickets, reduces the need for on site visits, and gives IT teams instant access to critical endpoint data for decision making and troubleshooting. Another key feature is the software deployment at scale. Installing or uninstalling software on hundreds of machines manually is a time consuming task. Action 1 simplifies this by enabling IT teams to push software packages to multiple devices at once. You can upload MSI, EXE, or script based installers, customize install parameters, and schedule deployments during off hours. Another key feature is the security and compliance policy enforcement. Action 1 lets you enforce critical security policies such as antivirus presence, firewall status, disk encryption, and secure account controls. It also monitors local admin access and flags endpoints that fall out of policy. Administrators can create policy baselines and receive alerts when endpoints deviate from expected configurations. This reduces the risk of non-compliance and helps build a proactive security posture, one where threats are minimized before they cause damage. Another key feature is the audit logging and compliance reporting. With increasing audit demands and regulatory pressures, having fast access to accurate data is essential. Action 1 provides automated reports and real time audit trails that track user activity, software changes, patch statuses, and endpoint configurations. Reports are exportable in CSV or PDF format and can be scheduled for automated delivery to stakeholders or auditors. This simplifies audit preparation, supports ongoing compliance, and provides clear documentation of IT actions for both internal and external reviews. So, why is Action 1 a great choice? What sets Action 1 apart is its cloud native design. Unlike traditional endpoint management systems that rely on VPNs, on-prem servers, or complex network configurations, Action 1 operates entirely from the cloud. Setup is fast, you can onboard endpoints in minutes, and there's no need for expensive infrastructure or maintenance. Its interface is user-friendly yet powerful, making it easy for small IT teams to manage large numbers of endpoints. The platform scales effortlessly, so whether you're managing a growing startup, a mid-sized organization, or an enterprise IT environment. Security is another major strength, so with end-to-end encryption, zero trust architecture, and role-based access controls, Action 1 provides enterprise-grade protection for sensitive systems and data. And best of all, it offers a free tier for smaller organizations, something rarely seen in the enterprise IT space, making it accessible and cost-effective for businesses of all sizes. So basically, endpoint management has changed dramatically in recent years, and cloud-based platforms like Action 1 are leading the way. It eliminates outdated infrastructure, reduces security gaps, and empowers IT teams with automation, visibility, and control, all from a single pane of glass. So whether you're focused on patching, compliance, security, or remote support, Action 1 gives you the tools to succeed. With its real-time monitoring, intelligent automation, and powerful policy enforcement, it's a reliable, scalable solution for today's complex IT environments. So if you're ready to simplify your endpoint management and strengthen your organization's security posture, start using Action 1 today and take full control of your endpoints no matter where they are. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.